Most of my high net worth individual clients that I work with are doing that through tax deferred strategies.
What have you found when it comes to frustrations with capital gains tax deferral and or the 1031 exchange?
Right. Well, it's interesting. We work with a lot of high net worth dentists. We're in quite a few groups, and a lot of those clients are in our funds and buying notes. What I found with a lot of them, unfortunately, our fund is a cash flowing fund. Like we're just turning that money over and over. So for people that are selling, practices, for example, and they're looking to replace their income, our fund is great for that because it has cash flow. The fund also has the ability to reinvest their earnings, so they can roll their earnings back into their equity and they can grow those accounts. Most of my high net worth individual clients that I work with are doing that through tax deferred strategies like IRAs and 401ks. We don't work a lot with people with 1031 exchanges just because our fund doesn't have the benefit of that. I will tell you, we are exploring syndications right now for self storage and larger multifamily. And I believe we will in the next 12 months have the opportunity for that. But my experience has mostly been with self-directed IRAs, self-directed 401ks that are more tax deferred or tax sheltered accounts. And that's how those people have gotten around that.
Excellent. Thanks for sharing that. And yeah, likewise, we work with dentists. In fact, just closed a deal in New Jersey for a dental practice owner for like 30 years, built up his business, and he's facing huge capital gains tax, and his wife and him are trying to make sense of this, and they have no basis and hundreds of thousands of dollars in capital gains tax. And so they were able to use a unique strategy that most people just don't even know about. It's called a Deferred Sales Trust to sell, defer all the tax, and now they can invest it into passive real estate deals, hard money lending. They can go into active real estate deals, all tax deferred without using a 1031 exchange. And so anyone who's listening to this right now, if you're a dentist and you're considering selling your practice, or done it with veterinarians, optometrists, car dealerships, cryptocurrency owners, high-end primary homeowners. We did an $8.3 million deal in Palo Alto for a primary homeowner who was moving to Nevada, and he was faced with huge capital gains tax. And he's like, I can't even sell unless I can defer the tax. And so he was able to actually sell and defer the tax, whereas a 1031 doesn't work for a primary home, but a deferred sales trust does work. By the way, if anyone wants to learn more about that, they can go to capitalgainstaxsolutions.com. That's capitalgainstaxsolutions.com.